One of my favorite new features of the GoPro Hero 9 is horizon leveling, which is available in linear mode. With this feature enabled, when you hold the camera at a crooked angle, the in-camera software will straighten out the video for you. To illustrate what a difference horizon leveling can make, I captured video using a GoPro Hero 7, 8, and 9 all at the same time. And then I used a GoPro Max behind those cameras to illustrate what kind of an angle you can hold the cameras at and still have the footage be straight. The rest of this video contains samples of the GoPro Hero 7, 8, and 9 set in linear mode, with the GoPro Hero 9 always having the horizon leveling feature enabled. This will allow you to compare what a difference it can make in your videos. In the upper left screen, we have the GoPro 7 on the left, GoPro 8 in the middle, and the GoPro 9 on the far right. GoPro 7 is in linear mode, which is 2.7K is the maximum resolution. The GoPro 8 and 9 were in linear mode, with the GoPro 9 with horizon leveling enabled. As you can see, the GoPro 9 remains level, even at a very severe angle. This is the GoPro 9 full screen in linear mode in 4K with horizon leveling. And here's the GoPro 8 linear 4K. And here's the GoPro 7 linear in 2.7K stretched to fill the entire screen. In this shot I have the GoPro Max mounted to the selfie stick via a adjustable clip. The bright red plants here are sumac. They're turning color. It is fall in Minnesota. This is about as close as I've ever come to rock climbing in my life. This is actually a bike park where bicyclists will go through the woods and climb up on these rocks and obstacles. Here I'm walking downhill towards the Methodist Church. Here we mount the GoPros to the front of a car. I'm hopping into the car. We can see the moon in the sky to the upper right. Very small because of the lens size of a GoPro camera. This bracket I bought at Home Depot. It's just a mending plate. Here we can see in the upper left corner there's like a lot of noise in the GoPro Max image. So it's like having issues with this low light scenario. In this section, not much horizon leveling was occurring due to the following. The triple suction cup camera mount was really solid and did not sway or move when the vehicle cornered. The thick metal mending plate I purchased at Home Depot, which I used to mount the cameras to the camera mount, was very solid. It also did not move or sway. And I was not driving fast enough to generate a high enough G-force to cause the vehicle's suspension or the camera mount to sway. What do you think about horizon leveling as a feature in the GoPro Hero 9? Is it something that you're going to use? If this video is helpful to you in any manner, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see similar videos in the future, consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day.